Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to talk to you about selling your silver. Now how easy would it be for you in the future when the spot price of silver increases and it comes to a time when you would like to sell and take some profits? How easy would it be for you to part with your silver? Now I saw a video a while ago, it was either a video or a comment, I can't remember exactly, but I remember seeing something on YouTube and someone said, I'm sure it was a fellow stacker, said, stack what you hate. Now, for those of you that remember who made that video or said that comment on YouTube, please do let me know in the comments so I can give them some credit in the description and comments, because I can't remember exactly who said it, but someone made a video and I'm sure it was called something like stack what you hate. And basically it was saying when you're stacking silver, buy items of silver that you don't like the look of, you don't like, because then when you come to sell and take some profits, it's easier to do it. Now, a lot of the silver I picked up over the years, and I would say all of it, and when I say over the years, I've only been stacking for like 2 years now, but every single item of silver I have purchased, I bought because I like the look of it. Yes, I've shopped around, and yes, I've bought silver for nice prices along the way, but I bought it because I like the look of it. I haven't gone, I don't like the look of that, but it's a great price, I'm going to buy it. And that's the problem with my stack. It would be very, very hard for me to part with any of my stack. Now, for example, if someone said to me, I need you to sell 10 ounces of your stack right now, it would be very, very hard for me to decide which 10 ounces to sell. And like I said, that is because I've been buying silver over the last couple of years because I really, really like the look of it. And I'd find it very, very difficult to part with any of the silver that's in my stack. Now, I think that becomes a bit of a problem in the future when you come to sell. If spot price was to kind of shoot up one year and you think to yourself, right, I'm going to sell, take some profits, it would be very, very hard for me to decide which items to part with. So I've come to the conclusion that I might need to start adjusting my strategy slightly and start actually stacking silver that I don't like, that I hate, so that when it does come to the time to sell or when I want to take some profits, it's a lot easier to do, because you can see all these items on display here today. I would find it very, very difficult to part with any of these items. These are very, very nice coins, although they're bullion, really, really nice kookaburras. This is a old Libertad, 1986. So I would find it extremely hard to part with that. Maple, again, although it's a bullion, my favourite bullion coin. I mentioned in previous videos that maples are my favourite bullion coin. I think they're gorgeous looking pieces of silver. American Silver Eagles goes without saying, great coins. And the thing is, because I'm in the UK, Silver Eagles don't make up the bulk of my stack. So even parting with kind of a standard American bullion coin would be very, very difficult for me. Again, these 1 ounce bars, you don't often see them on the second-hand market, so it would be hard for me to part with them. Even constitutional silver, UK old circulated constitutional silver, I would find this very hard to part with because they're not making it anymore. It's all got dates on it. It's not full 100% silver. It's kind of 95 or 40% silver. And I'd still find it very, very hard to part with this silver. And this is the silver that you buy at spot price for the best possible value. So if I'm finding it hard to part with this sort of silver, I'm never going to be able to part with bullion silver. So I definitely think it's something worth thinking about. If I had to go through my stack and pick 10 ounces to liquidate right now, I'd find it extremely hard. Even if I just grabbed a random 10-ounce bar from my stack. Some of these bars I've almost got attached to them. I really, really like the look of them. They're part of my stack. It'd be very, very hard to give up any piece of silver to even take profits on, because you do become attached to it. So let me know your thoughts about that in the comment section below. Like I said, I need to kind of readjust my strategy, I think. I need to start stacking silver that I don't like the look of, because when I do want to start taking some profits, I don't want it to be so difficult in deciding what I'm going to sell. Now, obviously, these sort of art pieces and things like that that you pay were ever spot for in the first place, these would obviously stay in the stack last, I'm guessing, because you buy them because you really, really like them. And although the spot price of silver goes up, this necessarily wouldn't go up with the kind of spot price because they contain quite a premium in the first place. So things like this, I feel like they would last longer in your stack, but not necessarily for the benefit of your stack, because this will be harder to shift than, say, some bullion silver. So it's a really, really interesting discussion, I think. A lot of people stack silver because they like the look of it, but maybe it's time we all start stacking silver that we don't like the look of. Maybe it's time we start thinking about bullion coins that we don't really like stacking. Now, it might sound strange because I'm from the UK, but I've really, really gone off the Britannias. I've actually started a petition, and many of you that watch this channel have already signed it, to get the Royal Mint to look into their horrendous milk spotting issues. Now, I know it's classed a bullion coin, but at the end of the day, they shouldn't milk this bad. So it might sound strange that this is actually my least favourite silver bullion coin, because this is capital gains tax exempt, because it's my country's currency. But like I've said in previous videos, once I've got my 10, 20, 23 type 2 Britannias, I will no longer be stacking Britannias, purely because I'm sick to death of buying coins that milk spot in a couple of months. So maybe it's time I do start stacking these. Maybe it's time, because I don't like them, because I hate the fact they milk spot so easily, and because I don't like how you buy them and then within a couple of weeks they're absolutely ruined with milk spots. Maybe I should actually stack these, because then when it comes to taking profits and sending in the future, it'll be a very, very easy decision for me to make. Plus, they're my country's currency, so there's no capital gains. So actually, maybe after all the slating of the milk spots, maybe this is actually the best silver for me to stack. And maybe because they milk spot so bad, I'll be able to actually pick them up for a fairly reasonable price in the second-hand market. So yeah, it's just something to think about. How easy would it be for those of you that have got any size stack, whether it's 100 ounces or 1,000 ounces, how easy would it be if someone said to you right now, you need to sell 10 ounces? How easy would it be for you to go into your stack and pick up those 10 ounces? Would it be easy? Because if it would be, that's fantastic. But if it would be very, very difficult, then maybe you need to kind of adjust your strategy like I'm thinking I need to do. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below. As always, thanks very, very much for watching my videos. We're nearly at 900 subscribers, which is crazy. I think we're about 20 away, and then we're on the final run to the 1,000 subscriber mark, when I can give away that 1 ounce channel bar, which I can't wait to do. So yeah, like I said, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.